Q. What is a screw thread? ANS. A screw thread is a helical ridge or groove on the surface of a screw or bolt that allows it to be rotated and advanced or withdrawn from a mating thread. Q. What are the main types of screw threads? ANS. The main types of screw threads are metric threads, unified threads, and Whitworth threads. Q. What is the pitch of a screw thread? ANS. The pitch of a screw thread is the distance between adjacent threads, measured axially along the length of the screw. Q. What is the difference between a single start and a multi-start thread? ANS. A single start thread has one helical ridge or groove, while a multi-start thread has multiple helical ridges or grooves that are parallel to each other. Q. What is the purpose of a thread gauge? ANS. A thread gauge is a tool used to measure the pitch, diameter, and other dimensions of a screw thread to ensure it conforms to a specified standard. Q. What is the difference between a left-hand and a right-hand thread? ANS. A right-hand thread is one in which the helix of the thread is oriented in a clockwise direction when viewed from the end of the screw, while a left-hand thread has a counterclockwise helix orientation. Q. What are the different types of threads used in machine drawing? A. The different types of threads used in machine drawing are V threads, square threads, buttress threads, acme threads, knuckle threads. Q. What are the merits of V threads? A. The merits of V threads are: they have a large load carrying capacity. They are self-locking, which means they don't come loose easily. They are easy to manufacture. Q. What are the merits of square threads? A. The merits of square threads are: they have a high efficiency due to their large contact area. They have a high load carrying capacity. They are easy to manufacture. Q. What are the merits of buttress threads? A. The merits of buttress threads are: they have a high load carrying capacity. They have a high efficiency due to their large contact area. They are self-locking in one direction. Q. What are the merits of acme threads? A. The merits of acme threads are: they have a high load carrying capacity. They are easy to manufacture. They have a low friction coefficient. Q. What are the merits of knuckle threads? A. The merits of knuckle threads are: they have a large load carrying capacity. They are self-locking. They have a high efficiency due to their large contact area. Q. What are the different types of threads used in machine drawing? A. The different types of threads used in machine drawing are V thread, square thread, acme thread, buttress thread, knuckle thread, and worm thread. Q. What is the application of V threads? A. V threads are commonly used in bolts, screws, nuts, and tapped holes. Q. Where are square threads commonly used? A. Square threads are commonly used in jack screws, vices, and lead screws. Q. What is the application of acme threads? A. Acme threads are commonly used in lead screws, feed screws, and vices. Q. Where are buttress threads commonly used? A. Buttress threads are commonly used in jack screws, clamps, and the threads of a nut that locks into a groove. Q. What is the application of knuckle threads? A. Knuckle threads are commonly used in hose couplings and fire hose connections. Q. Where are worm threads commonly used? A. Worm threads are commonly used in worm gears and screw jacks. Q. What is an internal thread? A. An internal thread is a threaded feature inside a hole or cylinder. Q. What is an external thread? A. An external thread is a threaded feature on the outside surface of a cylinder or shaft. Q. What is the application of internal threads? A. Internal threads are used for creating threaded holes in nuts, bolts, and other fasteners, as well as in machinery for connecting parts together. Q. What is the application of external threads? A. External threads are used for creating threaded shafts, screws, and bolts, as well as in machinery for connecting parts together. Q. What is a right-hand thread? A. A right-hand thread is a thread that is turned clockwise to tighten and counterclockwise to loosen. Q. What is a left-hand thread? A. A left-hand thread is a thread that is turned counterclockwise to tighten and clockwise to loosen. Q. What is the merit of using right-hand threads? A. Right-hand threads are the standard thread type used in most applications, making them more widely available and easier to find replacement parts. Q. What is the merit of using left-hand threads? A. Left-hand threads are useful in applications where the rotation of the part being fastened may cause a right-hand thread to loosen, such as in rotating machinery or applications where there is a risk of vibration.